Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the Supreme. That's collaborate with the Nike Air Force One low top, and this one is the white colorway. By the way, back in March of 2020, this one was retail for around like $98 plus tax and shipping fee. And current price, it is $118 plus shipping fee and tax. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys the shoes. So this is what it looks like on the bottom of the box. Here are the two stickers that come with it. Give you guys a 360 view of the box. And on top of the box, you have the nice shiny Nike with the Swish logo. And on the side, you got the red Supreme box logo. And on this side right here, again you got the shiny with the Swish logo, and then there's a color right here. And on this side, you got the Supreme box logo right there. And right here is the size label. You got the smaller, shiny Nike with the Swish logo. Color opening right here on this side as well. And right here is the label. Air Force One Low SP, white, size 9. And then the shoes is made in China. Here's the UPC code right there. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it. You have the Nike swoosh and Supreme scattered all over this paper. And on the lid, there's this number. So there's a plain tissue paper. That's another layer. You got the Air Force One and Supreme on the lace, and silver swoosh logo below it. That's embroidery on there. And the toe box is perforated. You got the Nike Air. And right here is your red box logo. On the back, you have the Nike swoosh and then Air embroidery on the back. And right here is the bottom of the outsole. On the insole, you have the red Supreme box logo, Nike swoosh, and then Air printed on there. And then there's a men's size 9. Let's see if we could zoom in that inner label. Pretty plush around the ankle area. But the tongue is pretty thin, but it's also padded. And here is the extra set of red lace. And you got the Supreme printed over the lace. And on the tip, you have the red Supreme printed on there. Let's go ahead and check out the other side. Well, there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.